First challenge of the day, we got Rudolf in his A14 in the right hand lane, and he's going up against Dian in his 4AGE powered Nissan Champ. Rudolf's best is a 9.4 and Dian's best is a 9.5. Let's see what they do heads up. I believe Dian is out in front. I believe Dian in the right lane takes the win. I'm sure Dian just ran a 9.3 and Rudolf a 9.62.